Okay. So for that, जब आप छोटे मंच, छोटे स्टेजों पर प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू करते हैं, then we get benefit, right? Today, when you will practice, when you will speak in front of public, you may feel that my friends are laughing. What he will think? They will make my fun, right? But it is really doesn't matter. Your friends are making fun of you, and tomorrow in interview you will say, your friend will not say this. So you have to work for yourself, not for your friend. आज आपके फ्रेंड जो मजाक बना रहे हैं, कल उनकी तरह फिर स्ट्रगल भी करना, जितना वो करें स्ट्रगल भी तो करेंगे. जब 10 राउंड इंटरव्यू के रिजेक्ट होते हैं तो आदमी सदमे में चला जाता है कि यार सिलेक्शन क्यों नहीं हुआ. तो आपको पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करने के लिए सबसे पहले प्रिपेयर होना पड़ेगा मेंटली, राइट? भूल जाइए कि दुनिया आपको जानती है. जब आप स्टेज पर खड़े होंगे तो कोई कुछ नहीं जानता. You have prepared your topic, you know what you are going to speak, right? Few rules of public speaking. Public speaking is clear now? When we speak in front of public without fear, with confidence, with proper voice modulation, right? We try to connect with public. That is? Yes. Now, the thing is that you are coming in front of the public, right? And you are speaking directly. Is it going to work? Only speaking is going to work. So, what we should maintain?
Confidently speaking.
Very good. Confidently speaking, right? And proper body posture, right? Pay attention, right? You don't have to keep your hand back or something like that, or you don't have to put your hand in your pocket, right? You will straight, right? Roll back your shoulder, and when you are new speaker and when you are doing for the first time or 2 times or any time, sometimes it happens. So if you don't know what you have to do this. When you are very confident, then you can use your hand gesture, right? Once upon a time, I was visiting somewhere and I met. So in this way, you can use your hand gesture, right? And your body weight will be divided in both, right? ऐसा नहीं एक पैर पर हाथ खड़े हुए हैं, ऐसे दीवार पर खड़े हुए बोल रहे हैं. These are don'ts of public speaking. You might have heard people speaking on stage. कैसा होता है? Motivational speaker, you might have heard that they speak, they cover whole stage, right? So this time you are not going to cover whole stage, but you are going to speak and you are going to look everything, right? So my name is XYZ, right? My topic is this, and then few lines you will speak. So now you have knowledge about body language, right? You are coming on stage, first of all, and you are saying, very good morning all of you. My name is XYZ. Today my topic is this. Okay, then you will start your topic, right? But before the topic, Before the topic, I told you about tongue twisters in our first session. Tongue twisters. We did